Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to completely remove apps on your MacBook. So first click on Finder from here, then go to the Applications folder, and here you will see a list of all the available apps on your MacBook. And here, let's say, and if you want to completely remove an app, simply drag. Let's say I want to remove this qBittorrent app, or let's remove this. Where is the OBS? This is it. Here, let's say that, just to not confuse you, that was all the what I've deleted was only the alias or the shortcut. This is the application. Let's say I want to completely remove this app. So click on it with the right button of your mouse, select move to trash. The application is hosting system extensions. These extensions will be removed if you continue. Click on continue, fill in your password, and now go to the trash. You will see it again, and to completely remove it, just empty the trash like this with the right button and select empty trash. Are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the trash? Yes. You can't undo this action. Yes, empty the trash. And just like this, no more OBS app, or the OBS app is completely removed from my MacBook. And this is how to completely remove apps on your MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.